we sent off some random stuff over to Rusty, a couple of sets of wheels. Oh my god, that's that's freaking awesome. If you're a fan of Cerakote, I got some eye candy for you. We just got these wheels back from Russ at Rusty Customs. If you don't know what Cerakote is, it's a ceramic-based polymer finish that you can apply to just about anything. Now, I don't actually suggest you try to apply it yourself. I know you can purchase Cerakote individually in some places. You may get actual Cerakote, you may not. You may get some other product. Either way, the application process can be somewhat daunting. You've got to wash, degrease, blast, wash again, apply, heat, bring it to a movie, buy it chocolates, maybe flowers, meet its mom. Too many things that go into getting lucky with Cerakote. So we have partnered with Russ at Rusty Customs. He has agreed to offer a 10% off coupon for his services anytime you add that coupon to your cart, a locked up RC with a set of our wheels or rings or complete beadlock package. In terms of color availability, most anodizing shops are going to have anywhere from 3 to 15 available colors. Now, out of those 15, they may have 3 that they run more frequently that are in a bigger tank, a little bit cheaper. If you want an oddball color, a pink, a lime green, you may end up paying more for it. Cerakote, on the other hand, has over 200 available color options. An additional benefit to that is that the red on this wheel, if I go back and I ask them to do another wheel like this, I'm going to get the same red. It's going to be visually identical to what I can actually see. With anodizing, that is not the case. Same shop, same day, 2 different racks of the same product may come out a slightly different color. It can be very difficult to match anodizing. Now, I'm not saying impossible, just that it's more difficult. So if having the ability to have a part redone or have things color matched later is important to you, Cerakote's a great option. For those of you that care about the environment, Cerakote also does not use harsh chemicals in the application process like anodizing. So there's less crap going into the environment from what I can tell. That's important to you, that may be something to consider. Cerakote compared to powder coating, well, this is a single color Cerakote. None of the holes were masked, the whole wheel was done, and I can thread screws in and out of this without any sort of problem. If this was powder coating, I would not be able to do that because all of the powder coating would have gotten down into the holes. It would be a big cluster. I'd have to re-tap all these holes, or they'd have to be taped off before they get powder coated. Single color. When you get to triple color, you've got 3 layers of Cerakote on there. I haven't run into any problems with these myself, but I could foresee with 3 layers of Cerakote, you may get some threads that are a little tighter than they would be with 1 layer of Cerakote. That's something to keep in mind. If you'd like to give Cerakote a try, there are a couple of different ways that you can do that using a coupon from our site with Rusty Customs. Let's say you select a 1.9 Adversary 8L wheel and add it to your cart. Simply go up to the search bar, type in Rusty, and it should be the first thing that pops up. Add that 10% off coupon to your cart, adjust for the amount of wheels that you want, and then just check out. Now, when you send these wheels to Rusty, your proof of purchase is going to have this coupon on there, and that is what he will honor. The second way to make use of the coupon would be to select any of our complete discount bundlers, add all of whatever options you want, wheels, rings, and hardware, and the last option you will see is for 10% off Cerakote at Rusty Customs. When you add that to your cart with all of the options, it will show up in here, and that will be your coupon. that you will send to Rusty to get this set of wheels and rings Cerakote. I do hope that coupon helps some of you get a truly custom set of wheels that you just fall in love with. Now, for those of you that may already be in love with either of these sets of wheels and the accompanying rings, I'm going to tell you right now, these are going to be listed as unicorn mysteries on our website. If you don't know what a unicorn mystery product is, I suggest you go to our site, read through the text. Now, I will tell you, signing up to be notified of when these are put in stock is the best thing you can do. However, after we restock something and you get an email, you'll have to sign up again if you want to get a future email. So every now and then, I suggest you just go to our site and sign up for that product. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.
If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Not sure if you want to subscribe yet? Check out one of these videos. Thank you for watching.